Today is 22nd of September, and we are going to check out what is the Nifty and Bank Nifty done, and we will also see some opportunities which are coming in. Okay, let me take you to the Trade Tiger. Okay, sharing done. Okay, so let me first check. So what has happened as far as the Nifty is concerned? This is the Bank Nifty. Okay, so what has the Bank Nifty done? Let's check this out. Bank Nifty. This is the Nifty. September 24th ka Nifty. Okay. See this. Has the trend line been broken? The bearish engulfing. Price not able to go up. Price came back at 11,260 levels. Okay. And then it has gone up from this particular levels. But again, a bearish engulfing, and then kal subah mein it started to move down continuously. Okay, and it is right now at this particular levels. Did it break the previous zone? Yes, of course, it did break the previous zone, and now it is holding over here at this levels 11,200. Lekin is this not a weak? Because if you check this out, it has given a significant move from the March levels. Yes or no? Okay, and if you draw a simple trend line को भी उसने तोड़ा था. It tried to go up जब भी financial one side चला, and then now the Nifty is down to this particular levels. Okay, is this weak or not? This is a daily levels, right? Now अगर ये दो कैंडल के मूवमेंट में इतना प्रेशर एंड ड्रॉप है, राइट, if you check your weekly levels, what happens? What was the weekly telling you? Was it not a bearish engulfing? Right on the top, bearish engulfing. Even while the price tried to go up, that gap down opening, golden nuggets में क्या है? What is given in that golden nugget? When it opens with a gap down after a doji indecision candle. That's it. You have to please go on working on your candlestick ka patterns. Okay. Now where is your weekly levels, which has been drawn काफी पहले 11,200. Okay. And now if you think in terms of demand, forget about demand. Let's check the monthly levels. Now monthly में कहाँ पे है? Where is your monthly level? 10,880 levels. Okay. लेकिन after a long time, please remember this. After a long time, क्या किया उसने? If you think in terms of ये higher high के जगह पे, okay, first time ऐसा होगा कि नहीं होगा कि इसने higher low बनाया है. तो whenever the market will 1 महीना 2 महीना 3 महीना 4 महीना 5 महीना वन साइड ऊपर चला है, ओके, तो कंसोलिडेशन मोड में जाएगा कि नहीं जाएगा? ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. सो इफ यू थिंक इन दिस पर्टिकुलर टर्म, ओके, तो ये चैनल में अभी तक ये गया नहीं है. तो नाउ गो टू योर वीकली लेवल्स वंस अगेन. Okay, now this is this becomes much more clearer. Okay, so ये अभी वीक कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, ये वीक कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, तो नीचे तलक जाने का हिसाब होगा तो कहां तलक जाएगा. सो आज का टारगेट क्या है, अगर वो नीचे जा रहा है तो, और 100 पॉइंट्स और नीचे. अभी भी वीक कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन अगर ये यहां से घूम जाता है 11,200 से घूम जाता है, देन व्हाट हैपेंस, ये पूरा वापस एक ग्रीन कलर का भी कैंडल बन सकता है. लेकिन वीकली, ये वीकली में देख रहे हैं, डेली में नहीं देख रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो लेट अस चेक द डेली. इतना ज्यादा प्रेशर है तो देन व्हाट हैपेंस, रुकेगा कि और नीचे ही खुलेगा? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर एग्रीइंग के ये नीचे खुलेगा? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर एग्रीइंग कि वो नीचे खुलेगा? तो ये जो लेवल है,
खुलेगा
this is
नीचे,
your-
लेकिन इट विल पुल बैक आई फील. तो हाउ डू वी ट्रेड, मतलब गैप डाउन होता है देन अगेन इट पुल्स बैक अप इन द
हाँ, तो
फर्स्ट
you have
आवर.
to wait for it to go up and then sell. अभी अगर ये नीचे ही खुल रहा है तो you cannot just go and sell something.
एग्जैक्टली, गैप डाउन होने के बाद सेल करते तो वो मतलब वापस पुल बैक करता ही करता है.
पुल बैक करता है, तो you have to wait for that 5 minutes और 10 minutes वाला रूल्स को फॉलो करो. लेकिन जस्ट चेक दिस आउट, 29 अक्टूबर का पुट कल फ्री में मिल रहा था 188 पे, right now it is at 325. If you have followed the rules of the game also, okay, then you would have made money easily. Okay, this was the daily levels. What happened? Go to your smaller time frame, 240 minutes. And 240 minutes में the up move started. So what I am trying to tell you is, go to a smaller time frame. वन टू थ्री रिवर्सल, लेकिन इसके ऊपर नहीं गया, इसके ऊपर नहीं गया, एक बार, दो बार, तीन बार, एंड कल 216 वाला 325. use the blueprint which is given to you. Please use the blueprint. ये कंफर्मेशन दे रहा है कि निफ्टी को नीचे जाना है, तो पुट का प्राइस बढ़ने वाला ही है ना. ओके, चलो लेट्स चेक द बैंक निफ्टी. सी द बैंक निफ्टी वाला. हाँ, ये लेवल था, जैसे ये लेवल को तोड़ा, एंड सी द वे इट वेंट डाउन almost 1000 points if you are following the rules. ये देखिए, ये लेवल एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग लेवल था, नॉट अ इश्यू एट ऑल. लेकिन जैसे इसने लेवल को तोड़ा है, व्हाई शुड आई बाय? दिस इज अ 125 मिनट चार्ट. ओके, गो टू अ 240 मिनट चार्ट. Again, same rules apply. I am following the same rule. Now, if you are wrong, you take a call over here, and if you are wrong, you are out. Simple as that. 240 minute chart. Go to a daily chart. Same thing. Was it not this level? लेकिन इतना बड़ा level. So, like I said ना, मेरा भी stop loss hit हुआ, तो यहाँ पे मैंने खरीदा. लेकिन when I saw these levels also getting broken out, simple as I took a hit and I was out. Simple as that. लेकिन levels काफी बड़ा level था. See this. ये जो level था, okay, ये वाला जो level था, अभी देखिए डेली चार्ट में, if you think in terms of levels, तो ये levels पे आ गया है 21,085. ओके, लेकिन आप follow the rules, follow the rules, follow the rules. ये लेवल काफी टाइम तक अटका हुआ है, ये वाला लेवल्स 20,800 वाला, ये देखिए ये जोन ओवर जोन वाला लेवल्स है। एक बार, दो बार, तीन बार, ये चौथी बार आ रहा है। तो दिस लेवल इज टेक्निकली supposed to be weak, but it can hold. Whether it will hold or not, you will have to wait for a day to go to take a call on this. Unnecessary अंदर मत घुस जाना, because if it is breaking this today, सचिन जी लॉग इन करो। I have already sent, everybody is in, there are 11 people in, please log in again. Okay, so these levels are definitely, if this level is broken, then all hell is going to go. Now whether this levels is going to hold, today we are going to come in for sure. लेकिन प्लीज हमेशा की तरह मैं आपको क्लियर बोल दे रहा हूं, ओके, जब तक कैंडल स्टिक्स बोल नहीं रहा है तब तक आप लोग जबरदस्ती का बाय मत करना। See, it was a clear understanding of what was happening. Okay, let me show you what has happened over here. Was this bearish engulfing right at the top, drop, base, drop, base, and a drop happening? Yes or no? लेकिन सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जो आप लोग याद नहीं रखते हो, was this was the high, right? This first time became a lower high. Again, this lower high was not broken, new lower high was formed, and a new lower high was formed. यहां पे जो लो बना, new lower low was formed, and now we are at a new lower low. Yes or no? So ये जो ट्रेंड था, you can call this as a correction, everybody calls this as a correction, right time to buy, blah blah blah, fine, good enough. What is your horizon if you want to buy? What is your horizon? So the point which is there is, if you just simply follow the rules of the game, बैंक निफ्टी को कौन तोड़ रहा है? Think about it. Which is the stock which is breaking the bank nifty? 2 days back also, there was some news. Okay, and what was the news?
HDFC.
HDFC, yes. HDFC was the news. So let's check the HDFC.
More than HDFC is that IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank.
Right. So HDFC, this is a bada wala HDFC, unable to cross 1925, and this is your HDFC Bank. See this.
Inverted W.
Yes. So double top मारने के बाद में, even it broke yesterday also, it broke. Okay. So this is weak one. तो जो चीज weak है definitely will remain weak. Okay. Now I have already drawn my levels, weekly levels and all that. ये मेरे lines भी as it is पड़ा है. I am not using anything else except for my lines. लेकिन अगर ये lines को मैंने इसने तोड़ा है 1101 ने, तो it came down another 50 points. Okay. Check out all your banking stocks. Let's check out all the banking stocks quickly in the next 3 minutes. Okay. एक्सिस बैंक 500 के ऊपर, सी दिस 533 के ऊपर, अगेन a drop base and a drop happening, almost similar to your Nifty. Okay, and it also has broken the weekly levels of 424. लेकिन अभी देखिए सेम लेवल पे आके रुक रहा है. Now will it hold for 416 वाला लेवल्स पे? यहां से वो स्ट्रांगली ऊपर भाग जाता है, ये वाला, ये देखिए एक बार दो बार, अभी ये तीसरी बार वहां पे आया, यहां से ही ऊपर भाग जाता है, यहां से ऊपर भागा, यहां से ऊपर भागा, लेकिन नाउ दिस लेवल्स बिकम्स वीक, you can understand what is happened. लेकिन देखिए why I was out of a particular thing was this long term trend line was broken. Okay, so anything where the long term trend line gets broken, you need to be out of that particular stock. Okay, HDFC हम लोग ने देखा, कोटक बैंक same thing, bearish engulfing and price right now at this levels. लेकिन ये लेवल काफी बड़ा है, 1269 से लेके 1228 तक का लेवल है, मींस 50 पॉइंट का लेवल है. ओके, SBI सेम थिंग, बेरिश एनगल्फिंग, 232 का हाई मार्क है 185. ICICI बैंक, ओके, बेरिश एनगल्फिंग. सो एवरीथिंग गेव यू अ बेरिश एनगल्फिंग राइट ऑन द टॉप, फिर क्यों बाय करना है? ओके, so ICICI coming back in that zone of 345. Indus Bank drop base and a drop happening, कल वो 8% तोड़ा. Okay, now unless and until it comes down to 510, जो जहां से वो ऊपर भागा है, why should I? लेकिन ये लेवल पे था, यहां से यू शेप रिकवरी मार के अभी यही सेम लेवल पे 553 वाला लेवल. ओके, रिलायंस को देख ले क्या बता रहा है. इट वॉज दैट डांसिंग एंड कल तोड़ा, राइट. कोटक बैंक बैड, AB कैपिटल 75 तक ऊपर गया, राइट डाउन एट 64. ओके, बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा ये पूरा सीरीज में 54 का. अगेन इफ यू हैव रिमेंबर, इफ यू यूज माय लेवल्स का थिंग, देन यू आर वर्किंग करेक्टली. ओके, सो WD गैंट्स का लेवल छोटे स्क्रिप्ट में इट इज वर्किंग टू द कोर. फेडरल बैंक 63 वाला 49. IDBI why you want to buy something which is so bad? Buyer circuit, seller circuit, and dancing since the last 2-3 months. अभी आदमी बोलेगा हमको पैसा कमाने को नहीं मिलता है, तो कैसे पैसा कमाने को मिलेगा when this is happening? Okay, so even when you are buying something which is because it is सस्ता, please don't buy. ये हमारा बाई कॉल था, कमिंग राइट एट 160 1.8 34 पे पहुंच गया. अगेन सेम WD गैंग का थियरी, अगेन कमिंग बैक टू 29. सो इफ यू डोंट एग्जिट, आपको मैंने क्लियर बोला है 80% 50% प्लीज घर पे पैसा लेके आओ. दिस तो इसके तो बात ही नहीं करना है अपने को. RBL clear bearish engulfing coming down. Okay, and let's check the Nifty ka stocks. Which are the stocks which are strong? Let's check this out. Okay, which are the stocks which are strong? Infi. Okay, लेकिन right on the top अभी काफी मूवमेंट ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. TCS अगेन डोजी कमिंग इन, अगेन अ डेंजरस साइन. ओके, Pidilite डिड नॉट गो अप, वो 1518-19 तक ही गया, we were trying to catch it over here. Anything above 1520 can go down, but it has hold over here. कल 1411 का लो मार दिया. Okay, I was into this particular script, but मेरा stop loss hit हुआ. While I made money in the options, मेरा equity में मेरा stop loss hit हुआ and I was out on this particular stop. Okay, power grid again bearish engulfing, bearish on the top. HDFC. Now you tell me कोई भी स्टॉक जो आपको अच्छा लगता है कि यहाँ पे बाय करना है, except for the IT stocks. IT stock also see right on the top it went and कल इसने already bearish engulfing दे दिया है. Wipro gave a wonderful move to us. Okay, 276 से हम लोग बाय में थे. I have booked some part of the profit in this particular stock also. Okay, because equity वहाँ था. Again a bearish engulfing right on the top and the price going down. Coal India one side down. Hero Motors bearish engulfing today. ITC has been down since 19. It was a double top. And जब ये तोड़ दिया, तो size of the double top is the size of the downfall. Simple as that. That's the rule. Let me explain you that particular rule. Okay. Now ये जो डबल टॉप मारा है, ओके, तो इसका ये जो डबल टॉप का जो भी साइज है, ओके, व्हेन इट ब्रेक्स, तो यहां से यहां का जो मूवमेंट है, दैट मींस अबाउट यहाँ पे 20 पॉइंट्स का जो भी मूवमेंट हुआ है, ओके, तो इसका डाउनफॉल फ्रॉम ईयर टू ईयर इज अ 20 पॉइंट मूव. दैट इज योर टारगेट. सो दिस इज योर डबल टॉप का टारगेट. This is called the double top. So it was a proper double top, okay, and then trying to go down. It has almost reached the level of 170 levels. Okay, but this is what happens when the double top neckline is broken. लिख के रखो किधर काम आएगा आपको. Okay, so L&T has been not performing. Okay, again 1022 से coming down to this levels, जहां से वो strongly ऊपर भागा है. Will it hold? Doubtful है, लेकिन people are buying it. Those items which are not working will not work for sure. Okay, please don't buy things because आपको अच्छा लगता है. Now see this. This also was a double top. Okay, trend line breaking, double top, again trying to come up and then giving way. Okay, this was Reliance. चलो questions. Asian Paint 240 वाला one side कल ही तोड़ा है उन्होंने. Again, almost all the stocks are in a bearish mode. Yes. Now see this. Sachin ji had asked me a question, right? कि अभी ये लेने का कि नहीं लेने का. Now, if you see this, this is a trend line being drawn. Okay, this is a monthly trend line. Okay, and this is where from where the price had run away. Now you can hold for a day. Let the candle tell you क्या कर रहा है, and then you can enter, or if you want to enter, लेकिन then you are entering just because you like it. This is the best place to enter. 1955. लेकिन अगर आपको investment के point of view से लेना है, so let me please explain to you investment का understanding. 30% buy right now. Again I am saying after 3 weeks buy another 30%. And then wait another 3 weeks and then go ahead and buy the 30%. Are you clear? I hope I am able to clear this particular thing. Again, Bajaj Pinsub में rounding bottom reversal.
My God.
Okay. Again, double top, right on the top, neckline breaking. And when it comes back to the neckline, see this 3976 है, वापिस नीचे तोड़ना. B. This is the basic understanding of how you are going to play the game, right? Okay. You cannot afford to make mistakes again and again. While again, Asian Paint maybe, while we were in a buy, okay, if you want to play the equity game, you need to do that in and out. घर पे पैसा लेके आओ. अगर पैसा घर पे नहीं आता है तो फिर गड़बड़ होने वाली है for sure. Okay, so all the IT stocks में भी सेलिंग चालू हुआ है. टेक महिंद्रा 800 ऊपर जाने के बाद में सेलिंग चालू हुआ. ओके, ये लास्ट 3 दिन से. व्हाट इज दिस 2 कैंडल्स? चलो, somebody can tell me what is this 2 candles?
Bullish, bearish harami at the top,
First time bearish harami right on the top.
and
see-
bullish, bearish engulfing.
Yes, a 1 2 3 reversal now. So this is what you need to look at. खाली डेली चार्ट में भी देखोगे तो भी आपको पैसा मिल सकता है. Again, what is this? Bearish engulfing. Okay. Again, inverted hammer. लेकिन सी, जो स्ट्रॉन्ग है उसको सेल करने का मारामारी मत करना, या तो लेवल्स के बाद में सेल करना. प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस. Okay, those who are weak will definitely go weak. लेकिन ये देखो, टेक महिंद्रा फर्स्ट टाइम bearish engulfing, लेकिन it is coming in that monthly levels. जहां से वो चला था वो वापस वहां पे आ गया. विप्रो again a bearish engulfing. So everything on a daily chart seems to be bad. तो आज सुबह को क्या होने वाला है? चलो, बिफोर वी गो टू एसजीएफ निफ्टी, आज सुबह को क्या होगा? प्रेशर नीचे है ना,
Gap down.
गैप डाउन. सो लेट अस चेक द एसजीएफ आल्सो नाउ. लेट मी शेयर द स्क्रीन. So what changed while you are sleeping? Chalo. Okay, markets. Buzzing stocks. लेकिन हम लोग को जाना है टेक्निकल्स पे. ओके, how many stocks did anyone check out how many stocks really were down yesterday vis-a-vis to the stocks which were up on that particular day?
3 is to
Anyone has
1.
checked that out? In fact, yesterday, one thing which is to be noticed was gold and silver दोनों टूटा. So possibility of a rotation happening. 6,000 points silver में टूटा and almost 1,800 points. अभी यहाँ पे 1,250 point दिख रहा है, gold में टूटा है. So people have exited the gold and silver. Okay, तो जब भी gold and silver में exit होता है तो equity में पैसा जाता है, rotation हो रहा है, होगा possible. Okay, earning ये आज का earning क्या है? Anything which is coming as far as earning is concerned? Anything? Tata Steel likely to post. So Tata Steel ka already we know. M&M right on the top, and abhi revenue decline, blah blah blah. So M&M, Tata Motors, जिसका क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट खराब आएगा और वो ऊपर है, तो क्या होने वाला है? सेलिंग के लिए मौका मिलने वाला है आप लोग को. ओके, सो रोटेशन के लिए ध्यान रखना. RIL to announce quarterly earning today. Jio to lend support. ये कभी का है? जुलाई 30 का है. प्लीज, जुलाई 30 का है. पुराना है, ये काफी पुराना है. सो हम लोग उसको नहीं देखना है. ग्लोबल मार्केट को देख लो. ग्लोबल मार्केट में SGF निफ्टी क्या कर रहा है? 21 पॉइंट ऊपर है, लेकिन यहाँ पे खुलेगा फ्लैट. ओके, अच्छा, कल का लो अगर तोड़ेगा नीचे, खाली 2-3 चीज को ध्यान रखना. सपोज यूज योर 5 मिनट्स एंड 10 मिनट्स वाला गेम इफ यू वांट टू बी अ बायर. 5 minutes में I'll just give you a rule of the game. Okay, let's go to Nifty and Bank Nifty. Just giving you a rule. In this case, 5 and 10 minutes वाला rule. If you are playing the 5 minutes rule, okay, 5 minutes में कुछ नहीं हुआ, right? 5 minutes में कुछ नहीं हुआ. ये levels में काफी टाइम तक डांस किया, and then the levels was broken. So once the level was broken, if you can buy over here, stop loss is here, and then you can play this game. Now in this case, what will happen? Okay, you draw a simple trend line. You draw a simple trend line. Simple as that, and then play the game, right? Okay, वो ऊपर जाएगा तो ये जो पुट है उसका वैल्यू क्या होगा? नीचे जाएगा कि ऊपर जाएगा? हेलो, if the Nifty is going up, then this put price is going to go down, not up.
Go down, नीचे जाएगा.
नीचे जाएगा, right? So this you need to remember. Okay, let's check the 15 minutes. Okay, so where it can go, and anything lower than that, that means Nifty wants to go up more. So 272 को तोड़ दिया, so that means Nifty will go up, not go down. So this is how you will be playing a game. सुबह में अगर वो सुबह को ऊपर ही खुल के फाट करके नीचे फेंक दिया, तो you need to play that game right. I always will draw a trend line. Please use the trend line. Simple rules. Trend line को अगर वो नीचे से ऊपर जा रहा है, now it's a beautiful 1 2 3 reversal. I want to buy over here, small stop loss, and let me play the bigger game. Are you getting me? But anything lower than this today, 272 के नीचे, it will bring it back down to, because अगर निफ्टी ऊपर चला है तो put price will go down, not up. Clear? Questions? ये सीरीज में मत काम करना. अगर काम करना है तो नेक्स्ट सीरीज में शिफ्ट हो जाओ. ये 3 दिन they will keep on dancing. So don't get fussified, please. अभी भी on a higher time frame देख लीजिए. On a higher time frame, okay, on a higher time frame, is this a strong buy? Yes, but it is coming in that, it has come inside, right inside the zone. लेकिन ये जो पैसा बना है वो तो ऑलरेडी बन चुका है. Okay. Questions? Any before we close? No questions? Okay. Any particular stock you are looking at? Let's check out the Maruti. Somebody had asked for Maruti also. Maruti mein my levels are right at this lower levels. Yes, it has started this journey over here on the top side. So will it turn today? Let's check this out. From where it has moved up. 6582. तो अगर गैप ओपन ऊपर खुलता है कि नीचे खुलता है is a very very important decision over here. Use our 10 minutes rule and then take a call. अभी ये 10 minutes में है. We are in this zone, right? So let it, if you simple analysis के point of view से देख लो. Okay, it needs to break these levels. Yes or no? Needs to break this level before you take a call on this. Okay, and if you want, use your Fibonacci ratios. Sorry, this is not what we want, but this will be the right way of going around. ये 10 मिनट का चार्ट है. Okay, anything above. So in case आज का टारगेट 6737 100 पॉइंट ऊपर के साइड पे. In case if it goes above 665, लेकिन wait for a reversal to happen. 30 minutes, 15 minutes. So this is where our levels is 6729. ये 33 तलक का ही है. See, on a smaller time frame, we are getting the things right. 6737, 6729. So that will be the target for the day. In case if it wants to go up, simple as that. Are you getting me? 60 minutes ka levels and the Fibonacci levels are matching. So that should be the target in case it wants to go up. लेकिन यहाँ पे confirmation देने दो 10 minutes and 30 minutes में before you want to buy, or you want to buy for a long period of time. Again, 30% of investment right now, 30% later, and then wait for the next 30% to go in. Okay, I hope I was able to give you some value on this. Please go back to your basics. Okay, coming Sunday after the expiry, we are having our club meet. So please do join the club meet at 9 o'clock. Okay, I'll keep you posted, but do join in. We will take WD Gang ka number games also once again, and we will again take the basics. Okay, call put में unless and until you will follow the blueprint, you will not be able to make it right. Okay, love you all. Take care. कोरोना से बचना. Signing off. मयूर संपत. आज पैसा घर पे लेके जाने का सोच के please, if you are not able to get it right, इक्विटी में काम करो एंड जर्नल राइटिंग करना. आप मेरे को प्लीज आपका जर्नल भेज दें. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
बाय बाय. टेक केयर.
Thank you, Mayur sir.